My name is Katina Tam, and I am an environmental program specialist with the City of Red Deer. In first year university, when I was intending on becoming a nutrition major, we were taking a course around generally environmental sustainability, and that just really struck a chord for me. It was something I hadn't considered before, and that ended up changing the direction of my studies and ended up becoming my career. I do what I do because I care about the environment, and I'm excited to help the community achieve some of the goals that we have. It was important to start the EnergyWise program for Red Deer because we have a goal to reduce our community's energy use, and so a way to do that is to reach out to members of the community and provide the education and training and tools to help them reduce their own energy use. The residential program offers free workshops for Red Deer residents, and the workshops offer the training and tools to help Red Deerians save energy in their homes. We are there as subject matter experts. We provide support. A big part of the workshop is the hands-on session where, as a resident, you get to practice using and installing different tools that you can use to improve the efficiency of your home. Some of the biggest takeaways are just a general understanding of their home's energy use, how to detect air leaks and heat losses from their homes, how to understand their energy bills, and then a big part is how to actually use really affordable, easy to use items. For example, how to weather strip, how to use plastic window film, how to change out their old shower head and replace it with a new high efficiency one. If you're interested in learning more and want to take action to save energy, visit reddeer.ca/energywise. We all have a role to play in making our communities healthier, safer, and for me, it starts with the environment.